Our largest custom order to date, we printed over 4 times the size what we normally print. I love getting custom orders through our Etsy store, but this one was a little bit unique. This was over 4 feet long, way bigger than anything we'd ever printed before. He actually wanted 4 of these shipping containers, but in the time frame that he wanted them done, there was no way we could deliver 4, so we settled on 2. Each of these shipping container pieces interlocked so that they would be very, very sturdy. You can see that each piece was about 12 inches plus the interlocking, and each of these pieces took almost 24 hours. I printed each of the pieces on the Prusa XL. I was hoping that I could do some of the lids on the Bamboo H2D, but it failed me. So every single piece was printed on the Prusa XL, and it took us about 2 weeks to get these 2 shipping containers figured out together, but you can see much bigger than anything we'd ever printed before. Because these floors did not print perfect, it actually gave me a little bit of an opportunity to reinforce this a little bit more. I printed additional just really thin floors, and I changed the size of them a little bit so that they actually offset. They line up with this line instead of this line. So just that little bit of overlap I'm going to reinforce by having the floor that I'm adding overlap. So I'm going to run them all along. I've already got these ones over here. I'm going to run them all along so that my floor is smoother, and then I've just got a little bit more reinforcing. To compare this with what I normally make, this is a 124 scale shipping container. It's 10 inches by 4 inches by 4 inches. And then these are 110 scale. They're 48 inches, so 4 foot wide, 11.5 inches tall, almost a foot tall, and then 9.5 inches deep. So they are significantly larger than anything I've ever made before. And this size, the only thing that we could print them on is the Prusa XL, the 5 tool head, and the single tool head. Ta-da! Thanks so much for your order, Patrick. Thanks for watching.